Hello, my name is Philip Sykes, the founder and principal of the British School of Excellence. At the very heart of the British School of Excellence's philosophy is an absolute conviction that everyone, regardless of their nationality, age, profession, or education, has the potential to develop into the best versions of themselves through world-class training and coaching. The British School of Excellence is the only organisation of its kind to become certified and accredited by CPD, ILM, part of City and Guilds, Investors and People, and the Institute of Leadership and Management, as well as accredited as a centre of training excellence. Our etiquette, emotional intelligence and personal development courses will give you the skills and tools to develop your confidence in any social or business environment and make the changes you need to truly achieve your potential. We invite you to engage with us today to enhance and enrich your personal and professional lives in ways you never thought were possible. We are passionate about equipping our students with the tools and confidence to achieve their dreams. The British School of Excellence is so proud to welcome and announce our new partner in Lahore, Dr. Shandana Shekhar, the co-chairperson of Avicenna Medical and Dental College and Avicenna Hospital. Shandana earned her doctorate degree in 2020 from Cardiff University in the UK, specializing in marketing and strategy with a specific focus on entrepreneurship. Shandana is passionate about developing and upskilling people. Shandana has completed Train the Trainer at the British School of Excellence UK and is qualified to train people in instilling etiquette, manners and core life skills, coaching people of all age groups. The British School of Excellence Lahore is open to all age groups. We have also developed a special program for the healthcare industry, coaching students and healthcare professionals in etiquette, manners and emotional intelligence, enabling them to become polished professionals, connecting with people with kindness and empathy and becoming better versions of themselves. Shandana, your dedication and commitment to this vision is truly outstanding. Your beautiful people and country will only benefit from what you have to offer. At the end of the day, wherever we are in the world, it is all about investing in people, building confidence and changing lives. I urge you all to make the time to look at the website and the world-renowned life-changing courses available at the BSc Lahore, www.thebritishschoolofexcellencelahore.com, or by contacting them via email hello@thebritishschoolofexcellencelahore.com.